My hairline looks great. Y'all see how it filled in just nice? Yeah. Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl 𝐿𝐿𝐿. Today's video is brought to you by WowAfrican. They sent me this unit to try for you guys. It's also Sippin' Slaying. Your girl got her probiotic drink today because it's early in the morning and I can't have my sugar wine yet. But later, your girl's gonna be knocking them back. But anyway, let's talk about this hair. Do y'all see this wig on me? I mean my hair, I'm sorry. Do y'all see how my edges have grown in? Do you see the thickness? Do you see the naturalness? Do you see it? That's me and the wig. It got the yak. It's mine. So before I show you guys how to install this beginner friendly wig in a few steps, okay, with the hairline, make sure if you're new to the channel, you go ahead and subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss anything else coming up. Also give this video a thumbs up if you want to see more videos like this in the future. Let's go. Okay, so like I said, this unit comes to us from WowAfrican. All the specs to my unit as well as the products that I'm using in today's video will be listed down below in my description box. So if you want to check it out, you can. I have exactly 35 minutes, pushing 45 minutes, if I'm cutting it close, to get ready and get out the house. That means hair and makeup. So this is the WowAfrican Rochelle wig. It is a face framing layers 360 Yaki wig with the Lagos hairline. Lagos. I'm not sure how to pronounce that because I've seen different pronunciations. So don't butcher me in the comments. Just tell me how to do it, okay? It comes with real HD lace, which they say blends down to all skin tones. It already comes pre-styled. So the curls are in there and the parting space is in there. All I gotta do is pretty much put this on my head, seal it around the dome, and go on about my business, hopefully. It does come with the silicone grip around the wig. So you get one in the back and then you get two on the sides by the ear tabs. There's also a detachable elastic band and the Invisi-straps on the side for a 360 glueless look. Y'all know my head is big, so sometimes the caps don't fit my head for a 360 look. However, WowAfrican does come in 3 cap sizes, small, medium, and large. Make sure you get the cap size for you. I'm pretty sure they sent me a medium, which is their standard size, because the large does take 7 extra days on top of normal production to create. Let me see how this lace looks on my hand. I mean, it looks pretty good in my opinion. Just out of habit though, I'm just gonna tint a little bit around that lace edge because I do not want to have to take this wig on and off again and again. So I'm gonna use my Black Radiant Soft Focus Powder in the color Milk Chocolate to do that. Just a teensy bit around the edge. Honestly, y'all, I am really excited about this hairline because I've been seeing it all over social media. But don't worry, if you are not a Lagos hairline girl, you can still get this wig in the natural hairline, okay? So you don't have to get it cut like this. And this came pre-cut. I didn't do anything. This is a pre-everything wig. So it should be a simple 3-step install based on what they're saying. Put it on, lay your hairline, and brush it. So we gonna see. Wait a minute. See? Already I'm scared because I feel like it's pulling the wrong way. Let's see. Let's see. Pull this. Where's it at? There's the back. I'm pulling from the front. Let's see. I may need to take out the band if it's not gonna fit. Ooh, I'm not used to this much hairline around my brows. It's very different, y'all, very different. This is definitely the medium-sized cap, but I'm gonna make it work for me because, you know, that's what I do. Let me clip this back. For me, it's showing a lot of this, Let me see if I can pull this down some. Oh, there is a comb in the back, but the way it's situated, I won't be able to use that. The way this is fitting on my head, I'm probably gonna have to trim back the sides right here just a smidge. So let me look at how I can do that before I do it, you know? Like this part right there. I think I can trim that off and cut that off. I like that a lot better. Same thing over here. Pull this up. I'm just taking my scissors and I'm just cutting right behind where that hair is. This side is a little bit further back. Dang it, what happened? But it's okay, I'ma still fix it how it is. Now I'm gonna use some of my Nairobi mousse. That was probably the longest part of the install. This is a mold, not a hold. And then, I don't think they sent me a band. I got a comb, edge brush, and clips, no band. Okay, that's all right. Comb it back. Okay. I mean, they say it quick. They weren't lying. So let's see how these curls are looking. I don't think I need to do too much. I'm gonna take a comb. I can touch up the curls a little bit. I think they curled it like this. That's what it looks like anyway. Or maybe like this. See if I can do this little situation. It's funny how money changes situation. Turn on my hot comb too. Just in case, I don't make it home tonight. For this to be a Yaki, that curled really nicely. Ooh, I got 10 minutes. I got 10 minutes before I gotta go. Let me use my flat iron right here to get this bump out of the hair. There we go. Just gotta get that bump out. I don't need to take the curl out, I just want the bump out. I probably should have used my bigger curler. That's all right. Let's unwrap the wig. Ooh. See what we looking like. I'm gonna have to spray it down. That's okay, because again, it's too small for my head, because you know, my head is big. So I'm gonna use my lace spray. Pull it down right here. Am I gonna make it? I don't know. Brush a little bit of hairs down like that, so my hairline is not so blocky looking. You still gotta make the hairline your own. There we go, there it is. Get my blow dryer on cool. I don't know how this is looking. I know that I have a line right there, so let me fix that really quick. Blend that together. It feels weird having this right here on my hairline like this. I feel like it's lifting up, but it's not. Okay, let me clip this up. I need to tighten down the back because it's up. So where's that little doohickey, the Invisi-strap? Let me see. See, my back is not all the way down, so let me just see if I can tighten it a little bit. On that side, you tighten down just a smidge. Can y'all see that? Right here, pull it, pull. It's tightening down in the back, so I can appreciate that. Let me just take a comb, because I don't want it to be as crunchy, you know? So I'm just gonna comb that out. So it kind of just lays back and not so much slick back like that. Y'all see the difference? So I'm just taking my comb and just working through that crunchiness in the front. They did have some product on the front, but also when I sprayed it down, it made it like this. It's best to do it when you're blow drying it so that you can alleviate any extra pulling, but it's all right. I can do it just like this. Comb out the hair. I want it to be fluffy looking. Okay, just like that. Just like that. Using some of my hair perfume. Wait a minute, why are you not spraying right? Yeah, so here's the final look. What do we think? Wait, focus. I think we got her together. This is my hair. I don't care what nobody say, this is my hair. My hairline looks great. Y'all see how it filled in just nice? Yeah, I'm pretty sure this is the medium cap, so it doesn't come all the way down onto like the back, the way it's fitting, but it does have a nice stretch to it, as you can see. So I can simply just bobby pin that down if I wanted to kind of stay to do, you know, an up style for me. At least I'm pretty sure this is the medium cap. Okay, they could have sent me the large. I don't think so though. The color job is amazing. Do y'all see this? This is what I call high quality color. Look at that color. Through and through. Let me part it somewhere else so you can see. Look at that. No streaks, no harsh lines. WowAfrican is gonna do it for me every single time. WowAfrican is what I consider to be a high quality, worth the money wig brand. This Yaki feels amazing. And the hairline looks great. I don't want my hairline to be perfect. I need it to be natural. I am getting some shedding with this unit as I pull through the hair. Not a lot, it's just like onesie, twosie pieces at a time. I'm glad that I combed out that hairline, so it's a lot more fluffy, a lot more movement around there. If I wanna pull it down, I can do that, like that. Do a little flip over, it looks good. Yeah, I am happy with this look. I'm also happy about that price point. Now you may side-eye it, but with that coupon code, I'm hoping that you change that frown upside down. But that's pretty much it. I gotta go, okay, because I made it just in time. Shout out one more time to WowAfrican for sending me this unit. I really appreciate it. I will put the direct link, my specs, and any coupon codes I have for this unit down below, so if you guys want to check it out, you can. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share this video. Also smash the notification bell so you don't miss anything else coming up. I love you guys so much, and I will see you next time. Bye.